We are vested in providing clean and healthy spaces for our clients, which assures their clients, their guests, their customers that their facility is clean and safe. GT French has been providing the Optisolve imaging assessment service for over 5 years now. Traditionally, we're selling cleaning and hygiene products to our clients. As the innovative solutions specialist seeking out new innovation, Optisolve provides us an opportunity to have a deeper conversation on the processes that they're taking on a daily basis to clean their facility. To be able to see the results of how clean a surface actually is very impactful for our business. Some of our customers have been using auditing and validation tools. You can get a reading, but it's only a very small piece of a culture swab. When I show any prospective clients this technology, it's an immediate wow. Immediately they see the value of understanding how clean that surface is. Precision cleaning can come at a reduction of labor. Optisolve helps us identify which high-touch surfaces require cleaning more throughout the day, directing the labor for those cleaning services to those high-touch areas. As an example, we work with one of the largest retail malls in the Toronto area. We've identified weaknesses in their cleaning processes. On a monthly basis, we'll review the results of our assessment. We know through the imaging process and the scoring mechanism that that facility is probably the cleanest it can be at any point in time. We have an online portal where all of the assessments are housed. They have access to that as a client of ours, whether it's a door handle, an elevator button. They can see how their cleaning effectiveness is with that particular high touch point. That's the true value. They're onboarding custodial workers and housekeeping staff monthly. The Optisolve reporting and assessments that we get back allows them to work with new members on how to effectively clean high-touch surfaces. We're able to see what the results are. We can clean that surface again and get a better result. So we can actually train on the spot as they're cleaning. I would totally recommend the Optisolve imaging service. It's allowed us to expand our product offering through Optisolve, just not on the cleaning chemical, but all of the products that are associated with the cleaning process. Utilizing Optisolve ultimately assures anybody entering the facility that it's clean and safe.